Hello folks, welcome to our daily stock review. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that you'll always know first about any reviews that we release. I'm Troglodyte from Simple Trade, and today I will show you two stocks, both of which rose nicely and increased their value significantly, even though the market have been quite tough. The first stock I would like to show you is ICTY, which already rose beautifully this week. If you have not seen the latest review about ICTY, I would strongly recommend watching it now. The link is in the description. This is a pink current stock with a promise of no reverse split, no authorized share raise, improper share cancellations, and a pending merger possibly in the CBD sector. In addition to that, the company promised news in November. Last Friday, the company released their quarterly report in order to keep their pink current status. This, combined with the fact that the news were promised to be released in November, leaving the company only 13 days to release their updates, caused the stock to rise. The next stock I want to discuss with you is AHFD. The stock started its rise last week and already increased its value by 80%. For the full story, please refer to the AHFD review. The link is in the description. This is a pink limited stock that recently announced its official reverse merger with CoinChamp, a prediction platform for crypto, markets, sports, and so on. 5 days ago, on the 12th of November, the company made a significant change in their share structure and reduced its float by 3.1 billion shares. The company was already pink current before, but that same day, it was moved to the limited tier once again, something that didn't stop it from rising beautifully. 2 days ago, AHFD released news announcing the signing of a statement of work with MEV LLC, a software development firm with more than 120 top software developers from around the world, and clients including ICTY+, Cartier, and Simpler. We can enter the website of MEV for a full list of their customers. Like the CEO of CoinChamp said, they are trying to bring NFT, one of the hottest sectors right now, to the masses. That is excellent news. The anticipation, share structure changes and news caused the stock to rise, with possibly more to offer. These two stocks, ICTY and AHFD, rising nicely in this market, might be the first signals to the beginning of a reversal for the OTC, though only time will tell. I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned from it. If you have, subscribe and join our Discord community of Simple Trade. Thank you for joining us today, folks, and have a lovely day.